Hey y'all. So, because it is the year of St. Joseph, for the men in your life, you may want to get them a special gift. Um, well, the year of St. Joseph ends this month, but anyway, this is gifts for men, dad, husband, survival gear and equipment 12 in 1 survival kit, Christmas stocking stuffers, fishing, hunting, camping, birthday gifts for him, teen boy, boyfriend, even ladies, cool gadgets and stuff. Okay, so listen. This is by Viter Old store. Okay, and the price is only $40, which I'm just like, what? So, anyway, these are unique gifts for men who have everything. Christmas is fast approaching, and we know it can be hard to choose the cool present for dad from daughter, son, who is an outdoor lover. This survival gear uh, will bring a smile to their face, and they are sure to love it. Okay. So it contains a pocket bellow. You know what that is? Because I don't. A wire saw, water bottle clip. I've seen those before. Emergency blanket, Flintstone scraper, flashlight, credit card, multi-use spoon, fork, and waterproof box. Okay. The thing that I'm looking at, it also has like several blades and tools and ropes. Okay. But this description doesn't say that. Oh, here we go. The camping accessories. Prepare for any emergency. This camping accessories is the perfect companion to help keep you safe and have peace of mind while you're hiking, camping, hunting, fishing, backpacking, traveling on adventures. Okay. So, um, service. So customer service is another thing. So when you buy different stuff, if there's any issues, you want to know that there's, a department set up to help you, right? So it says quality and customer satisfaction is our top priorities. If Father's Day gifts from daughter doesn't live up to your expectation, contact us and we will solve it to make sure that you are happy with your purchase. Okay. So I like this. Um, it's on Amazon.com and you can get a 40% off coupon. So that with Prime is $33.14. It is very cool looking. Um, I love this. It actually has a compass on the rope and um, but I'm thinking that the picture that they're showing does not. Oh, I see. I see. Make it a bundle. So you can actually do a bundle of stuff. Let me see what it say. hmm So there's a bundle. So the bundle is gifts for men and dad, survival gear equipment. That's $40.99. Then they have the RAK magnetic pickup tool. Okay. Telescoping magnet stick with 3D lights and extendable neck up to 22 inches. That's $25.99. And then the third thing that they're recommending is an upgraded beard grooming kit with beard conditioner, beard oil, beard balm, beard brush, and beard shampoo. Okay, so what I'll do, the total price for all three of these is going to be 82.55, and I will put a link. Let's see, how does Amazon? It's on Amazon, and it is hmm, I was actually looking for a remote worker survival kit, and this came up. So it looks very cool. So you can check it out. I will put a link in the description of this video, and I also will try, I can't promise you, but I'm going to try to do a, what do you call it? The thumbnail. I'm going to try to give you a thumbnail of the bundle. Okay, so that's it. And so I will talk to you guys later. I still got to find a survival kit for remote workers. That's what I need. But they've got a lot of cool stuff. The problem is with getting tools and things, what I found, like I can buy a whole tool set, whole kit, and I only use the tool once. So that's my problem because I'm not going to hire myself out as a handy person um, to do different things. I guess I could, but um, so I never got a great value for the tools that I found that I've had so many toolkits. And like I said, I only use one. Use it for one particular project, and once that was over, I never used it again. So, but anyway, y'all. So I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, bye.